Okay, part 2. Sorry for the wind. It just started. Okay, I went ahead and skipped it all the pouring the oil. Everyone should know how to pour oil. I figured I would save this part so all of you can see of all the oil that went everywhere. Mainly, I'm getting it off of the top and all. Hey, that's surprisingly, I figured that would have went everywhere. Sorry again for the wind. Heck, I shouldn't be telling you guys sorry for it. It ain't my fault. Mother Nature's blowing. That don't sound right either. If any of this does not sound right, you're more than welcome to comment. I won't get my glow. My temper levels is decent. That's it. I'm gonna set you guys down. I'm not gonna worry about what's on the hood. It ain't gonna kill it. Whoa. Yeah, well. That was very unexpected. And, oh yeah, I forgot that has been from my wheel almost completely falling off accident. Which I was probably partly blamed. That I was doing pretty bad. Ow. Tooth got me. Well, with all this oil, it'll have a nice little shine to it. At least. Well, I gotta get you off of the top of the cylinder block. You probably vibrate off. So, let's see. Y'all just gonna have to stare at the console. And my nasty greasy hands that actually has a little bit of rust powder dust from sanding and painting the dashboard and the hood, but not the inside, as you can all tell. I don't know if you guys could tell. Sorry for rambling. I do that a lot. I'm sorry for it too, but okay, since I don't know if you guys can see over that cone. I think you guys can, but I don't know. We're on our slow journey up to the building to put my 2050 in the funnel. It's been slanted once or twice. I don't know. I didn't slant it. There's my paint can. And I left on the ground because I wanted to drive it after I painted it. But I should have. Y'all look, that thing might have been from the cap falling off. If Lord willing, I'll have me some grass cutting jobs this summer. I didn't do too shabby last summer, but I'm going to try getting more jobs to do and all, but that's about all. Note to self, the reason I have the engine running and me far distance away from any other thing that it will explode to let it burn the oil that went everywhere. Sadly but true. But in the future, I want to rig me a plate, put the camera, and strap the hood down so you guys don't go forwards and look all the way down. Now everyone's looking at me odd, like wanting to talk to a camera, walking to an engine that's running. And I have a minute left. Y'all probably can't hear me. Since we got so many seconds. I'm waiting for parts, but I actually got a 12.5 to fit on it. Well, supposed to be able to fit on. I actually had a posing to go on it, but the cylinders won't clear the pedals, and I could burn myself every time. And I need a coil for that, because it's